What is cognitive dissonance theory? Cognitive dissonance theory is a psychological theory that explains how people experience discomfort or dissonance when they hold two or more conflicting beliefs or values. This discomfort can arise when a person's attitudes or behaviors are inconsistent with each other or with their beliefs and values. According to cognitive dissonance theory, when individuals are confronted with conflicting beliefs or values, they experience psychological discomfort or dissonance. This discomfort motivates individuals to reduce the dissonance by changing their attitudes or behaviors. The theory assumes that people are motivated to maintain consistency between their beliefs and behaviors, and when this consistency is disrupted, they experience cognitive dissonance. Cognitive dissonance can arise in a variety of situations. For example, when a person holds a strong belief or value, but behaves in a way that conflicts with that belief or value, they may experience cognitive dissonance. This can also occur when a person holds two or more beliefs that are incompatible with each other. The theory proposes that there are three main ways in which people can reduce cognitive dissonance. The first is by changing their behavior to be consistent with their beliefs or values. For example, if a person believes that smoking is bad for their health, but continues to smoke, they may stop smoking in order to reduce their cognitive dissonance. The second way to reduce cognitive dissonance is by changing one's beliefs or values to be consistent with their behavior. For example, if a person smokes but does not believe that smoking is bad for their health, they may change their belief in order to reduce their cognitive dissonance. The third way to reduce cognitive dissonance is by adding new beliefs or values that justify or rationalize the behavior. For example, a person who smokes may justify their behavior by believing that smoking helps them to relax, or that they will quit smoking soon. The theory also proposes that the amount of dissonance a person experiences is related to the importance of the conflicting beliefs or values. When the beliefs or values are highly important to the individual, the dissonance will be greater and more difficult to reduce. This is why changing one's behavior or beliefs can be challenging, and why people may be resistant to change. Cognitive dissonance theory has many practical applications in everyday life. It can be used to understand and predict how people will respond to persuasive messages. For example, if a person is presented with information that conflicts with their beliefs or values, they may experience cognitive dissonance. The theory suggests that in order to reduce the dissonance, the person may change their beliefs or values to be consistent with the information, or reject the information altogether. The theory can also be used to understand and predict consumer behavior. When consumers make a purchase that is inconsistent with their beliefs or values, they may experience cognitive dissonance. For example, a person who believes in the importance of sustainability may experience cognitive dissonance after purchasing a product that is not environmentally friendly. In order to reduce the dissonance, the person may rationalize the purchase by believing that the product is of high quality, or that they will use it for a long time. Cognitive dissonance theory also has implications for the workplace. When employees are asked to perform tasks that conflict with their beliefs or values, they may experience cognitive dissonance. For example, if a nurse believes in the importance of patient care, but is asked to work long hours without breaks, they may experience cognitive dissonance. This can lead to job dissatisfaction and reduced motivation. Employers can reduce cognitive dissonance by ensuring that employee tasks are consistent with their beliefs and values.